I got my 4,000 watch hours in less than 24 hours. That is what you want to hear. And that is what has put lots of content creators into a cat and dog race. Come on, guys. You need to calm down. Who knows the next account that will get deleted from YouTube or get a copyright? So I want to put this out there. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. If you want to skip the video, you are free to skip the video. But this is what I want to tell you, that even the big creators won't tell you this, because it is only those who have experienced it that can talk about it. So let me show you what happened to my channel. To avoid nobody told me, to avoid I was not warned, to avoid had I known, to avoid I didn't get the information. If you're a new channel, a small content, all content creator on YouTube, you need to know this. I know you want to skip this video because it's not from your popular content creator. Well, don't say I didn't warn you. Watch this video to the end to avoid copyright strike. This has got my account into a serious mess, and I'm filming this content, this video now you're seeing, using my hands to hold my phone, because I just need to put this out immediately, as soon as. Once you get an email like this, don't panic, okay? I know it's hot, but don't panic, okay? I got this, that your video. So once you receive this email, chill, calm down, just read through the email and understand the email very well. After that, head over to the guidelines, the community guidelines. There's a link that YouTube will also send attached to the email. So make sure you take your time, read the guidelines, community guidelines, and understand it very well. Okay, then once you understand very well, we have options that will be given to you, many options. If you are sure the content they remove is not a mistake, an option for you to also learn how to resolve this problem. There are many options, right? But now I know that this video that I'm talking about, this live, was not my original content. Appeal and go through the school. So once you go to their help center, after understanding their community guidelines, you go through their help center, you're going to see that particular options that says you should go through the copyright school. So after going through the schooling, these are the steps you are to follow. So this is what you are to do to remove the copyright strike completely from your channel after 90 days. It expires after 90 days. As long as you complete copyright school during this time, you can still use YouTube. Deleting the video will not remove the strike. Request retraction. You can contact the claimant directly and ask them to withdraw. Submit content. So if you are not sure that this content is yours, like is your original content, don't even bother the other two. Okay, you can see I have only one strike, which is September 9. And okay, yeah, so let's attend the school. So this is the school we are attending. Okay, so you be patient and go through all the questions. I'm going to show you what next to do. After answering all the questions, check the answers. Once you're done checking the answers, you go ahead and click done. Once you are done with it, it will take you to your YouTube dashboard. So this is how your YouTube dashboard is going to reflect. The one strike is going to remain there for the next 90 days, and until then you'll still be seeing that, and you have limitations to maybe live stream. If you've learned one or two from this video, kindly give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend to more people to save their channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on my YouTube journey.